My name's Gary Heisinger. I've been coming to this store since they opened. I was born in 1937, graduated from Fresno High in '55, and this place, National Hardware, is where I get things when I need them. I came in here about a year ago and I saw a hat, and I asked how much it was, and they just gave it to me. It was their 60th anniversary hat. So I've been wearing that hat where I go, where a lot of places I don't happen to have it on right now. But I tell people where this hat came from, and it's a story I've told 100 times probably. Yeah, everybody's friendly and jokes around, and I really enjoy the clerks and helping me find things. Like I came in today, wanted the thing to hold my shelves up, and we went right to it. I couldn't have found it if I'd gone through the store for a half an hour.
So you'll always be coming back?
Always. This is where I come.